Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable your power folding side mirrors in the 2022 Kia Sportage. I have in front of me here an SX Turbo all-wheel drive in steel gray. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, with the power folding mirrors in the Kia Sportage, when you go to lock the vehicle, the mirrors are going to fold in. When we go to unlock the vehicle, the mirrors are going to unfold. Now on the inside of the driver's door, there's a button at the top of this cluster here for the power folding mirrors. Right now, because this button is flat, it's on auto and it will fold and unfold as you lock and unlock. If you were to press the button to the left, that will then keep the mirrors out and they will not fold when you go to lock or unlock the doors. The reasoning for that may be in the winter time, if you didn't want it to fold because there might get ice build up around the mirror, or if you just don't want that feature to use that feature, you don't have to. So as long as it's to the left, these mirrors will not fold on their own. While the vehicle is running, you can also make the mirrors fold in if you needed to gain a little bit of extra clearance on either side for backing up or pulling in somewhere. So again, I'm going to put this back into the auto position and now they'll automatically fold and unfold again. And that's how you do it. As always, thank you for watching, guys. We really appreciate it. Please make sure you hit that like button and that you subscribe and select the notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our videos. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.